Now, just for the fun of it, you can also program the CyberBrick's remotes and receivers with MicroPython. So I have the robot arm programmed, the controller is turned off, and it will go through some simple moves. I got it to program using Cursor AI because it's much simpler, and it was moving too jerkily, so I told it to move slow, so it's a little on the slow side right now. But it's doing just a simple rotation or wave or whatever you want to call it. And then when that ends, which if you give it a minute, it will end. You can turn on the remote and you have control on the remote. So that automatic sequence will execute every time you boot up. And then once it's done executing, you can use the remote.